Hey guys, it's Laura with Laura's Handmade Haven. Welcome or welcome back. I'm so glad you joined me today. We're going to be doing our giveaway for our 3 can koozies. If you saw this video a couple weeks ago, then you'll know that I'm giving 3 of these away. So I just loaded up the comments into one of the YouTube random comment pickers, and we're going to flip this camera around and draw our 3 winners. So here we go. Okay, so on my screen, you can see that I have the URL for the video in there, and there are 12 of you that commented on the video. So let's pick our 3 winners. The first winner is, okay, this username is Foos. She says, love it. I'm definitely going to do these. Our first winner. Second winner is Cheryl Humphreys, 7950. Excellent idea for gifts. My daughter just got a Cricut. I'll show her this. Thank you so much, Cheryl. And our final winner is Donna Nix, 3739. So glad your tutorials are coming through. Thank you so much. Hey, Donna, thank you so much for watching, and congratulations to all the winners, and thank you to everyone who commented and watched the videos. I really appreciate your support and your comments, and I definitely read through all of those. So that wraps up our can koozie giveaway. I'm going to be making a comment on your comment to let you know you won, and also posting this video, of course. So I hope to hear from you soon. Make sure you email me at laurabrinkman@gmail.com, and I will get your can koozie in the mail to you lickety-split. Until next time, find joy in all you do. Carve out some time for crafting and creating. And remember, it's always better when you make stuff up.